Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraqi Dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video until the end, because if you don't, you will be automatically disqualified from the giveaway. We will be sharing the random hashtag keyword daily somewhere in the video, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comments section. Good luck. Now, let's proceed with the latest Iraqi Dinar news and intel today. Please take these information with a grain of salt, and please make sure to do your own due diligence. From Guest Guru Vinter, article, Iraq has completed requirements to join WTO. Quote, Minister of Commerce of Iraq has confirmed that Iraq has completed the requirements to join the World Trade Organization after completing economic reforms and improving the business environment. From Intel Guru Goldilocks, Vietnam is showing trading statistics that indicate a self-sustaining economy that is growing and even has greater potential going forward. At this point, Vietnam is showing momentum. When a country starts to show a trade surplus, it indicates that a demand for a country's goods and currency is in higher demand, thus creating the need for an increase in a country's currency value. From Intel Guru Frank 26, key bank story. From Bank Story Lady, I've been banking with them for about a year. A few months ago, I was talking to my contact, and I was telling her about the exchange and asked if she had heard anything. She hadn't, and they probably weren't going to deal with it at all. She even asked her higher-ups, and they didn't say a thing. She said she had a list of people to call, and if she heard anything, she would be in touch. Over the last few months, I've kind of given up on it. I had a talk with her the other day, and she said, I'm so glad you called. We just underwent training for the exchange. From Frank, the Dinar. Bank Story Lady, yeah, it must be coming. From Newshound Guru Militia Man, everything we've been seeing in the news is quite intense in respect to a lot of the things we've been talking about. Article, Iraq's Minister of Trade. We seek to join the World Trade Organization and expand our economic relations with the world. That's pretty bold. Quote, Iraq is now able to enter the global trade market through the organization on a large scale. There you have it. That is a massive quote. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, comment, I am of the belief, if they reinstate to pre-war rate, it will be at $3.22. From Mark Z, I am of that belief as well. I think that is their minimum. I do not expect a wild or crazy float. It is not good for their money if it swings wildly, but to me it's looking like it may be one bam then done for a rate change. From Newshound Guru Claire, article, Prime Minister, the government has placed the issue of economic and banking reform among its most important priorities. From Newshound, Intel Guru Walking Stick, when you see the prices in the market of Iraq start to drop, get excited. They would be parallel to the exchange rate. From Intel Guru Frank 26 Iraq Boots on the Ground report. From Firefly, Sudani did a speech putting economic and banking reforms as a major priority. From Frank, I'm all for it. All of their efforts of their energy is directed to the success of the monetary reform first that will then bring success to the economic reform. This sequence cannot be reversed. Your day is coming. From Newshound Guru Pimpy, question, how is the development road project going to be funded at 1310? The development road project is not the world's largest project. It's not even in the top 20, but it is a very expensive project. Pay close attention. Article quote, this year's budget is Iraq's largest at 198.9 trillion Iraqi dinars, about $153 billion based on the exchange rate. The 2024 and 2025 budgets will be the same unless the cabinet requests any changes and Parliament approves them. This budget has already calculated. What did it say in the article? With the current exchange rate. And what is the current exchange rate? 1310 dinars per dollar. From Guest Guru Harlequin 3. Over the years, there's been many articles about the old currency retaining its nominal value. The denomination remains the same. A 25,000 dinar note remains 25,001 dinars, and the new 25 denomination remains 25 dinars. 1 dinar equals 1 dinar. Denomination value just means name, not exchange rate. The confusion arises from people thinking value means exchange rate, when it's just talking about the nominal value. The named value of the dinar, which in this example is a 25,000 dinar note, that's its name, not its exchange rate. To an Iraqi, an exchange rate of pound sterling to dinar is meaningless. 1 dinar is just 1 dinar. But what does that 1 dinar buy? That's what matters to an Iraqi. In my opinion, the latest article is explaining the named value of both notes don't change. It answers the question about a lot of the old dinar, explaining you will exchange 25,000 old dinar for 25,000 new dinar at a 1-to-1 value. The named value remains the same. Of course, for people outside Iraq, they will be exchanging 25,000 dinar for their home country's national currency of 25,000 dinar at an approved exchange rate. Before ending with the last update, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is surplus. You can be the lucky winner if you like, subscribe, and watch the main content of this video. This will be for this coming Sunday's giveaway, and the winner will be announced in one of the Sunday's videos, so you do not want to miss it. And finally, the last update is from Intel Guru Frank 26. If you have Saddam Swiss dinar notes, they're worthless. But if you have Iraqi dinar that you purchased from a bank or a licensed broker, you should be okay. That's all for the latest updates on the Iraq dinar. What are your thoughts of all the articles or news coming from Iraq and opinions from these intel providers? Moreover, we posted a breaking news article video today. In a significant development, the Iraqi Minister of Trade, Athir al-Ghurari, has announced that Iraq has met all the necessary conditions to become a member of the World Trade Organization. This achievement follows extensive economic reforms and improvements in the investment climate. We explored the details of this breaking news and analyzed its profound implications for Iraq's economic and monetary reform agenda. Please go ahead and check it out by clicking on the link on the top right of this video, as you don't want to miss this. Lastly, we will continue to post videos about the recent events and articles supporting the changes taking place in Iraq, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget, please drop a comment below with hashtag and the keyword and let us know what you think. If you like this content and like to support this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next video. Bye.